So let's get to this straight away. This is the Blessbe cartoon camera for kids. Yes, it looks like a small dolly DSLR. So let's test the camera straight away. So the build quality is really nice. Solid materials used here. I can really tell you that. I mean, this is built for kids and it's very easy to hold. It's also got a lanyard, which I'll come to a little later. Okay, pictures are a little faded. Let's check this plant out. Kids are going to really love this large LCD display. It's 4-inch, so it's pretty visible in daylight. I mean, how bad can it get? So this thing costed about 1800 bucks Indian rupees and was meant to be a little camera for kids who really want to click colorful pictures. But looks like the colors here are missing in the pictures, right? They're all washed out. So this one does videos too. Pardon the watermark, as this records on AVI and the video recording software which I have does not recognize the format. I didn't want to buy the tool. And here are a few more clips. I just charged this a few minutes back and it seems like the battery is already dying. Well, it's supposed to last for about 5 hours, but it's not. Here are a few more clips. Remember, this can do 1080p videos, but the quality isn't really up to the mark. Look at this last clip. Gosh, it really looks bad. I mean, it looks like a clip from Chernobyl, the original clip. It's that bad. Yeah, some photos are just about okay, but the colors are totally washed off and there's no dynamic range. If you're still interested, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So yes, this is a Blessbe cartoon camera, does videos, photos, has a battery thankfully, and expandable memory up to 32 gigs. I felt the only good thing about this whole toy was its cute looks. It's cute enough to blend in a nice dollhouse, and it comes in blue as well. Some of the specs, this camera can do 1080p video, but it only has a 0.3 megapixel camera. For photos, it has a 3 megapixel sensor, and it has also some sort of games built in. I didn't really check, but I'm sure it's pretty basic. Inside we see an instruction booklet. There's a nice matching lanyard, and there's a nice micro USB cable. And then of course the camera. It's wrapped in this soft plastic material. I actually love the look and feel of it because looking at this, any kid would love it, right? It looks really cute. And at the side there's the SD card slot. It can support up to 32 gigs of memory. Doesn't come with one. There's also a charging slot and a reset button in case the camera gets jammed. There's also a large 4-inch display. This particular model among the toy cameras has a larger display. So that's the reason I picked this up, and it costs more. There's a selfie camera in place of the viewfinder. How nice is that? So there's a small inbuilt speaker, and there's a microphone as well. And there's a slot for the lanyard on the side. The battery is supposed to last for about 5 hours, they said, but it hardly lasts for like 5 minutes. Maybe this is a defective unit. So let's put this thing on. I did charge this for about 2 hours, and like I told you before, the battery depletes really fast. I mean, it's hardly lasting for about 7 to 8 minutes at the most. The click button's on the top. That's the primary button as any other digital camera. And the power button is on the first button among the few buttons it has is the power button, which allows you to swap cameras between front and the selfie. There's a rocker button that lets you scroll up and down, maybe to look at the different pictures. There's a menu button, it also doubles up as a photo video toggle mode button, and there's a play button to see all the pictures you clicked. So it's a straightforward menu. Lets you choose some settings like timestamps, which I haven't set. That's the reason you see the older dates on the photos. And the games menu is also hidden in this particular menu. Check out the battery. I mean, as I'm doing all this, the battery is really dying. So let's do some indoor shoots. Maybe things will get better. Not bad, right? It looks like the low megapixel count hurts the camera outdoors, but indoors it's still decent. I mean, the photos are coming out pretty decent. You can comment below and let me know what you think. By the way, there's a selfie camera and that sucked too. It's the same specs on that as well. By the way, the battery is actually dying, so there are also some fun filters which you can use. I mean, it's a digital camera, so what is it without filters? So you can change color settings. There's some color modes here. All in all, should you go ahead and buy this toy? I really don't recommend it, because some of the cheaper phones have similar setups, and you get phones for about the same price range, the entry level phones, and they have cameras which do similar things. The pictures don't look vibrant and the battery is dying too quickly. This unit just looks good. It looks good as a toy, and that's the only plus point to this camera. So that's my short review on the Blessbe camera, and this one's called the BB17, I guess, and I'll leave links in the description to buy. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. See you.